crowd's favorite. Sino ba? Sino gusto niya?
Sino gusto nyo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Jason!
Si Miss Winnie Rimbilya.
Yes! Smile! 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
And now for our 3 winners. Call for Mr. Jeff to give the award for second runner-up.
Second muna.
Second muna.
Second muna.
Who do you
Ito,
think
nagkamali
the
lang yan.
second runner-up?
Nagkamali lang ng lagay.
Is it contestant number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and 6? Who is it? Who do you think the second runner-up?
Alright, so garnering an average score of 79%, our second runner-up goes to Marian.
Yes! Woo!
Marian
Woo!
second runner-up.
May porsyento na si ate! Woo!
With 2,000.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Miss Marian. And now, first runner-up, I call for Miss Sheneline to award this.
Alright, so for our first runner-up, garnering an average score of 87 for 0.25%, our second runner-up goes, or our first runner-up goes to, with 3,000 cash,
Woo!
Samantha
3,000.
J.
Go, Jay! Woo! Congratulations, Jay. Picture. Congratulations, Jay.
The first runner-up. And now,
Picture. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
and now for the most awaited winning award, the Big Brew Miss K 2024. I call for Mr. Gilbert Thompson and Miss Jonna Larissa for this award. Who do you think the grand winner?
Woo!
Do you got? Yes. Yes, Glada. Sino? Sino ang grand winner? Ang grand
Si Winnie!
And the winner goes to?
Garnery with a score of 91.70%.
Okay, maglolokohan pa ba tayo?
Woo!
Miss Day 2024 is
Miss
Jessa
Woo!
with 5,000 pesos cash.
And a crown. Oh my
Congratulations! Congratulations! Ready? Picture.
God. Girl, this is it. Here's your once
Nice.
again, our grand winner, Miss
One,
Jessa
two, three,
Marijuana.
closer. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Escort talaga, escort. Ready? 1, 2,